Eastern Ghat came into existence. In India, which came into existence? Which came into existence? Eastern Ghat. The answer. Just I am giving an idea that so that you can understand it. Yes. From the Shillong Plateau, all this region is, I said that what? Eastern Ghat. क्लियर? और इसी में नीचे से वोल्केनिक इरप्शन हुआ. आर्कियन तो पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए बता रहा है, बट यहां पर भी नीचे से वोल्केनिक इरप्शन ग्रेनाइटिक, एंड दिस रीजन हैज बीन व्हाट? uplifted, and we have got what? Intrusive granitic magmatic eruption, granitic rock, and this from the Shillong to southern Karnataka. Which are reason I said that? Shillong, West Bengal, Jharkhand. Able to see in the map? Which one? Shillong, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, parts of MP. Then we have been able to see Eastern Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra, Southern Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. So which are the states where we have an Eastern Ghat? Yes, which are the states we are having an Eastern Ghat? Yes, Shillong. Thereafter we are able to see, tell me first. West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, then Eastern MP, Eastern Maharashtra, Vidarbha region, Telangana, Andhra, then Southern Karnataka, northern nahi, Southern Karnataka, and then we are able to see which one? Tamil Nadu. This region is what? Granitic rock. This region is what? And then Eastern Ghat, and there is a granitic crystalline gneiss. Granitic crystalline gneiss. Understood? So in the Archean period mein what we have got? Understood? Granitic crystalline gneiss. Granitic crystalline gneiss. Idea ho chuka hai? Yes. And it is here and there also. And at the same time we have also Bundelkhand. Which one I said that? Bundelkhand from the late Archean. From the late Archean. Understood? Bundelkhand, and I said that Baghelkhand. Which region I said that? Yes, tell me. Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. It also came into existence due to intrusive granitic magmatic eruption, and Bundelkhand पूरा ग्रेनाइट है, इसको बोला जाता है बैथोलिथ. बैथोलिथ जो नीचे जम गया, इट हैज बीन अपलिफ्टेड लाइक दिस. चलो, अंडरस्टूड? इट इज इन अ डोम शेप. सो बुंदेलखंड, एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बघेलखंड, so Baghelkhand, Bundelkhand, and we have been able to see that whole this region. Understood? It is in a what? Archean and late Archean and early Proterozoic. Understood it? Now, I said that this is clear. ये idea हो चुका. Now, then from the late early and then इसी समय you can be able to see there is also formation of Dharwad rock system also started in the same period. Dharwad rock system. Which one I said that? In the late Archean to early Proterozoic. Which one has been started forming? Last stage. जब वो last हो रहा था, better to say early. Better to say, I said early Proterozoic. What did it started forming? Just दिमाग में अभी रखेंगे. धारवाड़. Which rock system of India? Dharwad. Understood? Next, I said that early plus late, middle Proterozoic Aravalli came into existence. Which one I said that? Aravalli. Early to around 1800 million years. Clear? And in the middle, to late Proterozoic, that is around 1500 million years, to late means 550 तक. Understood? First came Kudappa rock system, and उसके बाद 1300 and 1200 million से 600 million, then there is a coming of Vindhya rock system. Understood? Got it? So which are the rock system which come? Which are the rock system come? First I said that Haydn, ocean and continent formation, that is 4600 million to 3800 million years, and then 3800 million years to 2500 million years, it is an Archean, early, middle and late Archean. And during that period, if you can be able to see the mineralization of the rock granitic gneiss, understood, all the minerals in the granitic rocks started coming. Thereafter we have been able to see below, in the late Archean period, some eukaryotic animal comes and oxygen led to the some mineralization of other also started with the help of oxygen. Then coming to the Proterozoic, and the Proterozoic I said that it is in a 2500 million year to 550 million years. 2500 million years to, yes, 5500 million years. 550 million years. So we have been able to see that it is divided into early, middle and late. Early, middle and late. If I say that in the late Archean to early Proterozoic, which has been formed? Eastern Ghat. Which has been formed? Eastern Ghat. Which has been formed? Bundelkhand. Which has been formed? Baghelkhand. These are the Bundelkhand Plateau, Baghelkhand Plateau. These are the things has been formed. Picture clear hai? Yes. And thereafter I said that in the early Proterozoic, what form? इसका मतलब 2500 से मैं 2000 के आसपास क्या बना? Dharwad rock system. What has been formed? Dharwad rock system as far as the India is concerned. And thereafter we have been able to see the early to middle Aravalli rock system has been formed. दिमाग में हो गया? I will ask you. And then middle to late Proterozoic में सबसे पहले क्या बना? Kodappa rock system. And thereafter there is a formation of, that is from the 1500 to 600 million years, and then that is around 1300 or 1200 million years to 600 million years. That is what? Vindhya rock system. So which are the rock system we have been able to see? Late Archean. Early Proterozoic only. पहले कुडप्पा, विंध्याबाद में. Understood? ये चीज रट लेंगे तभी हमें रॉक सिस्टम समझा पाऊंगा. I can't make you to what is an understand you this. Clear? And again I said that, क्या मैंने बोला? Yes, tell me first. Haydn geological that is 4600 million years to 3800 million years. उस समय में total ocean and continent has been formed, solidified. Yes, and then it is known as a Hadean eon. It is known as which eon? Eon, era, period and epoch. इस eon में हमने क्या देखा? Hadean eon में what we have seen? Ocean and continent. फटाफट बताया करो. Ocean and continent. Nothing is there in the world. Rainfall keep on happening. Oceanography बनाया था and then it has been solidified. Yes. Thereafter 3800 million years to 2500 million years. It is known as Archean. 3800 million years to 2500 million years. What is known as Archean rock system. And Archean rock 2500 तक. तो पहले कौन सा Archean होगा? Early Archean, Middle Archean and Late Archean. 2500 तक पहुंच जाएंगे. Early Archean, Middle Archean and yes, Late Archean. In this period, two types of mineralization. Yes or not? Archean में two types of mineralization we have seen. First, I said that जो Archean है वो क्या है? Ocean and continent पहले क्या था? Made up of magma. पूरा अर्थ मैग्मा था. जब solidified हुआ तो क्या बना? Granitic rocks. Therefore, on granitic ने under the pressure and temperature converted into gneiss. तो Archean में मुझे क्या नजर आएगा? Gneiss, granitic gneiss. And granitic rock is the what is the reserve of minerals in the form of dikes, in the form of I said that seal, batholith, facholith, laccolith and all. इसके फॉर्म में मिनरल्स इसके अंदर में solidified हो गया. Understood this way. आर्कियन के लेट फेज में, आर्कियन के लेट फेज में यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल्स का पानी तो आ चुका था. यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल्स और ये यूकैरियोटिक यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड दिस unicellular organism started absorbing carbon dioxide and all and releasing oxygen. और जैसे ही ऑक्सीजन रिलीज करने लगे तो ये ऑक्सीजन रॉक में जो अदर आयरन इन द फ्री स्टेट थे उसके साथ रिएक्ट करके दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग व्हाट? आयरन मिनरल्स. एक तो ग्रेनाइटिक रॉक इज एबल टू मेक ये जो ऑलरेडी इट इज इन मिनरल्स, यू नो दैट, एंड अदर मिनरल्स स्टार्टेड आल्सो कमिंग इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. हाउ? बाय द व्हाट? ऑक्सीजनेशन. बाय द व्हाट? Oxygenation. And in which period? In which period? Late Archean. Understood? Now, उसके बाद आ गया हमारा Proterozoic eon. In the Proterozoic eon, we have seen that three periods: early Proterozoic, middle Proterozoic, and then late Proterozoic. And that is from the 2500 million years to 550 million years. Understood? And यहाँ पे life नहीं है अभी. लेकिन इस पीरियड में हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? इस पीरियड में बहुत सारे क्या आ गए? यूकैरियोटिक एनिमल तो थे ही, प्रोकैरियोटिक एनिमल्स, मल्टी सेलुलर. यूनिसेलुलर तो थे ही, मल्टी सेलुलर, और ये लोग और ऑक्सीजन देने लग गए. सो मोर मिनरलाइजेशन, मोर मिनरलाइजेशन. नाउ हमने क्या देखा? इन द प्रोटोरोजोइक से हमने पहले क्या बोला? लेट आर्कियन प्लस अर्ली प्रोटोरोजोइक में हमें क्या मिला? ईस्टर्न घाट, ग्रेनाइटिक इरप्शन, एंड इट हैज बीन मेड दिस रीजन टू बी व्हाट इज द ईस्टर्न घाट. इन विच पीरियड? लेट आर्कियन टू अर्ली प्रोटोरोजोइक. वी हैव गॉट व्हाट? मिस्टर ईस्टर्न घाट, बुंदेलखंड, बघेलखंड. Understood? These are the things has been formed. Clear है? Archean rock system. After that we have to see that early Proterozoic, late Archean to early Proterozoic. Now only early Proterozoic, Dharwad rock system. Which rock system? Dharwad. Which rock system we got? Dharwad. Understood? And thereafter early Proterozoic to middle Proterozoic. What is there? Aravalli range has been formed. Which I said that early Proterozoic to middle Proterozoic around 1800 million years. Who has been formed? Aravalli. And from the middle to late Proterozoic, I said that which has been formed? Kodappa, 1500 million years around. to 600 million years. यहाँ पे खत्म हो जाएगा आपका Phanerozoic स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. And then Vindhya rock system came into existence from the 1200 or 1300 to what I said that 600. So who has been formed first, Kudappa or Vindhya? Kudappa. And according to India, this is known as Purana rock system. Kudappa and Vindhya को क्या कहा जाता है? Yes, tell me. Purana rock system. Which rock system it is known as? Purana rock system. Again, ध्यान से हाइडन मैंने क्या बोला? यस, हाइडन क्या बोला मैंने? 4600 to 3800. और इसमें क्या बना? Whole earth was full of magma and everywhere magma and then carbon dioxide, water vapor, sulfur oxides. It is coming out and water vapor keeps on raining, and then slowly we solidified and we got what? Earth crust, and then become a granitic. So we got some uplifted become continent, and depressed region become what? Ocean. So we are able to get what? In this period, continent came into existence, and then what I got? Ocean. Haydn period. Thereafter we have been able to see, which one I said? Archean period. In this Archean period, 3800 million to, I said that 2500 million years. And 3800 million years to 2500 million years में पहला क्या देखा था? Yes, tell me fast. अब बोलते चलें. Early, middle. यदि याद हो गया ना, ऑटोमेटिकली इंडियन रॉक सिस्टम बिकम वेरी इजी. और आपको भी समझ में आ रहा होगा सर क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं, क्या चीज दिखाना चाह रहे हैं, व्हाट यू वांट टू शो. अर्ली, मिडिल एंड लेट. अर्ली आर्कियन, मिडिल आर्कियन एंड लेट आर्कियन. हम लोग 2500 पहुंच गए. इन द अर्ली आर्कियन एंड मिडिल आर्कियन में हमने क्या देखा था? आई सेड दैट granitic rocks converted into pressurized and gneiss become, and then सबसे ऊपर क्या बनता है? It is in a granitic magma solidified हो रहा है. Yes or not? ऊपर में क्या बना? granitic magma के ऊपर में bauxite. क्या बना? हाइड्रोथर्मल वेस्ट bauxite. ये सबसे हल्का मेटल granitic magma के पास. उसके बाद कॉपर, पायराइट. अंडरस्टूड? नीचे गए तो क्या बना? ये किसमें बनेगा? ग्रेनाइट. ग्रेनाइट पहले भी मैंने बता रखा है इन द जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी में, आई यूज्ड टू टीच आल्सो.